Hello everyone. I am Ragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. Do you nervous before interview? Do you forget what to say in English? Don't worry. I will teach you 10 powerful interview sentences that will make your sound confident and professional. Let's get interview. Ready? Sentence number 1. Thank you for this opportunity. આ તક માટે તમારો આભાર. Use this sentence at the beginning. Say thank you for opportunity. Sentence number 2. I am confident in my abilities. મને મારી ક્ષમતાઓ પર વિશ્વાસ છે. Speak clearly and slowly. Sentence number 3. I am a quick learner. હું ઝડપથી શીખી શકું છું. Let's understand with example. I am a quick learner and adapt easily. Sentence number 3. I am passionate about my work. મને મારા કામ પ્રત્યે જુસ્સો છે. Say confidently. Sentence number 4. I work well in a team. હું ટીમમાં સારી રીતે કામ કરું છું. Let's see example. I enjoy working in a team environment. Now next one. I handle challenges positively. હું પડકારોને સકારાત્મક રીતે સંભાળું છું. Interviewers love this sentence. Next one. I am always willing to learn and grow. હું હંમેશા શીખવા અને આગળ વધવા તૈયાર છું. Say with confidence. Next one. My goal is to contribute to the company's success. મારું લક્ષ્ય કંપનીની સફળતામાં યોગદાન આપવાનું છે. This is professional sentence. Now next one. I believe in hard work and dedication. હું મહેનત અને સમર્પણમાં વિશ્વાસ રાખું છું. This is strong impression sentence. Now last, number 10. I am excited about this role. હું આ ભૂમિકા માટે, હું આ રોલ માટે ઉત્સાહિત છું. And interview positively. Now write in comment. Which sentence will you use in your next interview? Guys, remember, confident is not about perfect English. It's about clear and positive communication. Practice these 10 sentences daily for 7 days. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak loudly and confidently. You are ready. You are capable. You will succeed. Let's grow together. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.